gotta make sure I have the right parking.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Where are we, Ryan?
We are at Tri-C. We made
Woo!
it.
You guys ready for kickoff?
Face the boss. Teams may preload up to 1 power cube per robot. Additional power cubes are available in the power cube piles, along the fence nearest the scale, and in each alliance portal.
And it looks like the Red Alliance will waste no time making it over to the switch.
Oh, what kind of what we doing right now?
Slow down.
The guy's eating a banana.
Okay, look. So I made this keep to the car.
Ground launch sequencer is go for auto sequence start. Launch and remote sites, we are T minus 25 seconds and counting.
Destination deep space is a go for launch.
Yeah, yeet,
Planet Primus, here we come.
Fine.
Activate launch pad expression system. In other words, it's time to make some noise and count it down with me around the world. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. What was that?
From destination deep space.
Are you okay? No.
Sometimes you gotta bleed to know that you're alive and have a soul. But it takes someone to come around to show you how. She's the terror in my heart. I'm alive. She's the terror in my heart. I'm on fire. She's the terror in my heart. Take me higher than I've ever been. The songs on the radio are okay.
I do like Coach Jeremy.
Anything but Dr. Pepper.
Ryan.
Right.
I'm gonna be walking for the rest of my life. I'm gonna get a bike. I'll just use my bike to get places. I'll get fit. My legs will be huge with all my muscles. You'll see. Maybe I'll have a cat.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
46,
And I think the first stage
They have 17.5K.
to inspire kids
Oh, you
around the
can
world.
see it on the screen.
Because per like one stream, there's at least like 5 people watching.
Primus gravity simulator is a go.
Rover team, it's a go.
Rover is go.
JSC Mission Control in Houston wishes you good luck.
Confirmed. Many thanks for your continued support, NASA.
Dean Kamen, everybody. Coincidentally, I just received word that the hold is lifted.
I told you, everybody.
Oh, shocker.
So let's send it back to Mission Control.
10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.
I love the lag.
Yeah, I know, it's great.
Oh my god, it's going upwards now. T plus.
There goes our game.
That was the best graphic. Oh my gosh, that's the field.
That weird station.
Yeah. Yo, okay, so we're putting it in there. Okay, like you're fueling rockets.
All before the next sandstorm sweeps through. Each alliance has 2 rockets, 1 cargo ship, and a habitat. Hatch panels and cargo are available through the human player stations, and cargo is also available in the depots adjacent to the habitats. Robots start in their habitat and may be preloaded with 1 game piece. Alliances may also choose to preload some bays of their cargo ship with either hatch panels or cargo.
During the first 15 seconds of each match, driver vision of the field will be blocked by a waning sandstorm. So robots must be controlled using either autonomous code or manually with a vision system on the robot.
Have that, like you said, like the coil spring
You tighten, you turn the motor all the way, and the spring gets as tight as it can, and then that means that the fingers are closest together.
Yes. And then you can open
Right,
it
and then you can
then
fit
grab the
them
thing,
in the thing.
Yeah, so.
put padding on it.
Right, then,
Or you can fully
because you
extend
can
it.
pull it straight out of the fill.
We should make a like
So
a.
something
And then
like
you
this
could go
is that
take it
in the
over.
center, right?
Oh god.
Yeah, dude, look at this thing. This thing's huge. I didn't think that would be the size of the.
Alright, do you have any slot ideas yet?
I'm asking questions. It seems like the hatch is going to be the most important part because without the hatches, cargo's not going to stay.
Well, so this is too big. I don't know what motor.
Current idea. Beautiful.
Wait a minute.
My idea, not as beautiful.
We do those couple
Manual.
Somewhere, and then you can. Hatch located throughout the field.
Wow, that's some handy instructions.
wider than I thought it would be, actually.
Yeah, it is. I mean, that's
So that could work. I know, but like.
Let's get out a ball. That's the only thing I want to get out of there is a ball.
Skizzers!
So
Isn't that a
how?
lot heavier than
Oh, so it's not going to stick to the carpet at all. Oh yeah. Worn with pride. Protect. Hey, this should go above where the safety glasses are.
Over there. Is it
We got a
deflated or
poster.
inflated?
I think it's pretty deflated. I mean, you got half of it. Hey, Ryan, you enjoying your crispy rice treat there?
Crispy rice treats. The better rice crispy treats.
She's the tear in my heart. She's a carver. She's a butcher with a smile. Cut me farther than I've ever been.